All right, so we're back with a brand new product. This is the Sennheiser ACCENTUM Open. I know you might have known about their other models for it, but this is specifically the one just for headphones. So Sennheiser, of course, you know from its amazing quality and sound, but these headphones are specifically designed to give you really good quality while also being breathable and being a very comfortable earbud for people that maybe have sensitive ears, still aren't great quality, still want to be aware of their surroundings. Opening it right up, you see you got a little guide right here, a little manual, and then we've got the actual case of the headphones. And then under here, ooh, nice little power cord for the unit, and a couple more manuals. This is a nice little like paper wrap with a little bit of adhesive. As you can see here, there is your charging cord plug spot, USB-C to USB-A, for you to easily, quickly charge it with any power brick you might have in your house. Real simple pull out. These use beam forwarding microphones near the bottoms to help catch audio that you're saying, therefore to better record you as you're talking. Each earbud has a total time of 6.5 hours in the headphones, but when you pair it with a fully charged case, you're going to be getting about 28 hours of playtime. On top of that, because of its fast charging system, you can put these earbuds back into these cases, and then after 10 minutes, you'll have an hour and a half of listening time back available on these headphones, which is really, really cool. So, again, the way they rest in the ear, they just kind of rest on that side, facing it inward, but they don't really kind of fully fill up the space. They're not designed like most headphones where they want to form a full seal. They want to still give you some of your awareness of your surroundings, which is really cool. But let's actually take these and let them charge up for a little bit because they need some juice to properly work. And then I will show you what we think about the sound. We'll be right back. Well, hopefully you guys liked that video. Hopefully you guys pick up those headphones as well. Again, they are incredibly lightweight and therefore incredibly comfortable and easy on the ears. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.